Hello, this is where starting here. We are starting to demonstrate the practical output of our OpenAI applications. Okay, there's two base. One is the front end and back end. Previously, we have mentioned. Here we pass the prompt that about us, about the head coach, its actual identity. Pass the message role system prompt to the OpenAI completion. And here we can see the output, the reply for a question from user to the system. Okay, let's see the demonstration. You can see the outcome in the terminal. Let's start. Okay, and here now we will start backend. So now we will start the backend application for testing. The front end is running. Now we will switch to our browser. Okay, let's browse. And now it's working. Now we'll log in one of the user as demo user. It's actually still working. Okay, it's just again another try. It's just puzzle out. Let's see what's the power of it. This is not good. Okay, now it's connecting. Then let's to the associated URL as the debugger's name. Okay, now we'll see. Just to start a conversation. Who are you? Yeah, ask him. Let's see in our terminal. We can see that debug is showing message on. Let's check it on. Look, you can see I have given a code reply. Here's the code I have debugged in the code segment. You can see from here the reply print, and it's printing. You can modify it look like this. Okay, I'm changing it and see it's affecting as well. String effect here is reloading, and we will do another question in our browser here. Tell me about yourself. We have already provided that instruction in the code. You can see in here. If you have one question, who are you, what are you, what you can do, what is your name, tell me your name, tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. I have asked to him. I'm asking to him, and I can see that it's what's showing. Look, I've changes the code, reply hash, fundamental decision every time place the node. So it's returning the exact reply to us that we provided in here. So you can see in browser we see here that question provided platform tailor, and this is what actually we have given in the prompt. We can revise again what we have provided. Let's see. This is we revised and provided here. Tell me your name. Okay, we can now test with tell me your name. Then it will help us more. Tell me your name. Okay, see and see. We can test with tell me your name and see. Here I print the debug result. So let's try. Let's try tell me your name. Tell me your name. And you can see that it's came request in here. You can see request came to here, and so we found reply again, and that coach powered. That's it. It's working like this way, and we can revise again the source file. Here's the source file, OpenAI, and we can. How does it work actually? So the conversation with answer. Let's see. This function is calling inquire. Conversation with answer. Okay. Here's the function actually. When we submit a request, when we are entering a request or submitting a message, this is coming in this URL endpoint API message and passing the query to this conversation with answer functions. Here, the message and the before it starts the result from vector database, if it's found anything relevant or not. So conversation with answers. Okay, now you can see we can show that request go from this browser log. Here, look, the URL, API message, the ID, and the comes response. Hit coach. Tell me your name. Is running. Here, got your our mention your identity, variable data or declaration. Can see you can show that I can show you that this request one request sending this is the message URL, and it response it's returning, oh, tell me your name, and that coach message from the backend. Thank you. That's all. Again, I'm revising how it's working. When we make a query, then it's when we query and query for message, it requests to the endpoint, request to the endpoint GTP, and then it execute, search and execute the function code over there. Then it's replying. Simple. Thank you.